Ladies and gentlemen, Manny Pacquiao presents Blow by Blow. Welcome to the 50th anniversary of Thrilla in Manila, in coordination with International Boxing Association, Philippine Sports Commission, and Smart Araneta Coliseum. All professional boxing bouts are sanctioned by the Games and Amusements Board. GAB Chairman, Attorney Francisco Rivera, GAB Commissioner, Attorney Manuel Plaza III, and Angel Bautista, and Chief of Boxing and Other Contact Sports, Mr. Rodin Manao. Ringside decisions, Dr. Clark Fernandez and Dr. Noel Naka. As the bell rings, timekeepers Kim Dangan, Romulo Santiago. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the fighter fighting out of the blue corner. He weighed in at 125.1 pounds. He has a record of 11 wins, 2 losses, 9 wins coming by way of knockout. Fighting out of Los Tigres, Venezuela. Ladies and gentlemen, Fernando Toro. Right across the ring, fighting out of the red corner.
Magiging ano lang to, magiging kambing na lang to.
25.1
Mamaya, magiging kambing ito mamaya.
He has a record of 24 wins, 4 losses, 21 wins coming by way of knockout. Former 2 division and unified world champion from General Santos City, Philippines, Sunland Boxing, Lanao del Norte. Ladies